Okay, because this is way overdue and I told you guys I was going to do this a while ago. My skin is super oily, I don't think you can tell, but I'm going to show you around my room. Okay, so my dust collector, that's my nail stuff over there, table, and then my strip lights for the LED does not work, but this is my mirror, my other mirror. I have my skincare, which is not all here, they're in another basket. My skincare, primers, I call some of the stuff my skincare grave. Let's see. All my lip products, like lip balms and stuff that I use. All my eye primers. These are things that I've been using throughout the week, so that's better here. And then this is where I keep all my eyebrow products and any concealers that I've been using. Okay, so down here, let me move this cord. Down here, I have all of my mascaras, eyelash curlers, random like shavers and razors. This is like my random drawer where, as you can see, I keep like pimple patches, lip patches, cords, stuff that I use when I dermaplane my face. And down here is one portion of my eyeshadow collection. These are all of the majority of my 35 palette Morphes. I have almost all of them, but I'm looking to get the rest once I decide that I want those. Okay, so we have foundations here, some skincare. These are like for care stuff. So this, and concealers, setting space, eyeshadow palette, eyelashes. I don't really use these anymore. Glitters and pigments, skincare extras, Halloween stuff, extra powder, extra brushes that we move over here. We have more eyeshadow palettes, blushes, highlighters, Urban Decay, more palettes. And this is all like customer makeup. I used to do people's makeup, so a lot of extras of that. And then this is all my lippies. These are all of my nail stuff. Okay, so over here is where I keep all my nail stuff. I have this drawer that's full of nails, and this drawer that are also full of nails because I used to do press-on nails, and that I have this drawer that goes all the way down here, like all the way down here. That's filled with like rhinestones, gems, things of those nature that I do not do anymore. I have some nails in here that I've made in the past. This is a bucket of like practice nails that I have. This is this brown thing here is where I keep all my earrings and jewelry, and you see I got some crackers there from when I'm hungry. So this is my hair care stuff. I have all my clips. I have the Shark Beauty Flex Style in here, my rollers, hair pins and scrunchies, and then in here a whole bunch of hair stuff, more. And this drawer is so full I can't even open it. There we go, more. So I have more stuff, but I don't feel like cleaning it out right now. It is very hot in my room with all these lights on, so I'm about to take this photo off and start making dinner.